Hello friends, in this video we will going to learn about the goal seek function. What the goal seek function does, it back calculate certain desired number automatically when we provide it with the input. For instance, we have to compute the income tax for the income tax return of Mr. A, and Mr. A has provided us the following details. His gross total income is 8,50,000. He has paid advance tax of 2 lakh rupees. For simplicity, we have taken the tax rate applicable in Mr. A case to be 30%. Now, Mr. A says to us that he does not want to pay any further tax except the advance tax paid by him. Means he has already paid the advance tax, he only wants the balance tax payable to become 0. And he asks us how much deduction he will get under section 80C to 80U of Income Tax Act so that his advance tax is already paid except that the balance tax payable becomes 0. Deductions provided under section 80C to 80U of Income Tax Act are investments made by Mr. A, or for example FDs, ELSS mutual fund, or purchase insurance policy, mediclaim policy, and like that. Now, how do we know how much deduction he should get so that his tax payable becomes 0? How much the figure should come in C11 so that the figure in C18 becomes 0? Now we will apply permutations and combinations. Let's suppose he should get 1,50,000 deduction, or he should get 2 lakh deduction, then his tax payable is 2,800, and we will apply this permutation and combination in the like manner. But by using the goal seek function, we can do this in seconds. I will put my cursor on C18 cell, and then I will go to data tab. In data tab, I will go to what if analysis. In what if analysis, I will go to goal seek. Now the goal seek dialog box appears. I want to set cell C18 to what value. It does not ask me the cell. If I provide in the cell reference, then it will give me an error. So it should be a value. So I want this to be 0 in my case. And by changing which cell? By changing the deductions cell, that is C11 in my case. I will press OK, and I will get my solution in seconds, in milliseconds I guess. And I want to keep this solution. Now Mr. A should make an investment of 2,08,975 approx, so that his balance tax payable becomes nil. So like in this fashion, we can perform the goal seek function in seconds. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and share to others as well, and considering subscribing to my channel for more updates. Thank you, Jai Hind, and have a good day.